In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a page in Confluence. Archiving pages can be a useful way to declutter your workspace while keeping important information accessible in the future. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by too many pages, archiving is a great tool to have in your arsenal. So, let's jump right in and walk through this simple process together. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is your base of operations where you can access all your workspaces and pages within Confluence. From here, locate and click on the workspace where the page you want to archive is located. Workspaces in Confluence act like folders, helping you organize your content efficiently. Selecting the right workspace means you'll be able to find the page you want to archive more easily. Once you're inside your chosen workspace, identify the specific page that you want to archive. Take a moment to consider why this page should be archived. Maybe it's outdated, or perhaps it's information that's no longer relevant to your current projects. By doing this, you'll ensure that you're archiving with purpose, which will make managing your content much more straightforward. Now that you've located the page, look toward the top right corner and find the More Actions button, often represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this button will open up a menu with several options tailored to the specific page you're viewing. It's a handy feature that gives you multiple tools to manage your page effectively. Within the options provided in the More Actions menu, you will see Archive. Clicking on Archive initiates the process of moving the page to the archive. It's worth mentioning that archiving in Confluence is a non-destructive action, meaning you can restore the page later if needed. So, there's no need to worry about losing your content forever. At this point, Confluence gives you the option to add notes explaining why the page is being archived. This step is optional, but it's often a good practice to jot down a reason or some context. Adding notes can be invaluable if someone else reviews the archives later, providing clear reasoning behind the page's status. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and optionally added your notes, click on Archive to confirm and complete the process. Doing this officially moves the page into the archived section of your Confluence site, making it tidy and more focused on your current needs without permanently discarding valuable information. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough look at how you can archive a page in Confluence. Hopefully, you find this guide helpful as you manage your own content. Remember, keeping your workspace organized means better productivity and accessibility in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy archiving.